Hi, this is Quincy with FreeCodeCamp. I am excited to show you some of the upcoming improvements to FreeCodeCamp's user interface. We are going to implement a new navigation bar and a new side navigation. So let me show you what these look like with my very crude prototype that I put together on CodePen. So I'm going to kind of keep some of this hidden. So as you can see, we have a side navigation that is completely searchable up here. And we've broken the certificates down into this top section. As you may know, we currently have 3 certificates on FreeCodeCamp, but we're moving to a system where we have 6. And if you are concerned about that, don't worry. We're figuring out a smooth way to where if you've already earned certificates, you retroactively have the old ones. So as you can see, you can drill down into these sections. The first certificate is the Responsive Web Design certificate, and it covers HTML and HTML5, CSS and CSS3, applied visual design, responsive web design, CSS Flexbox, applied accessibility, and then it has the projects. And I've clicked the projects to expand it here. And then we have the JavaScript algorithms and data structures certificate, front-end libraries, data visualization, APIs and microservices, and quality assurance and information security. So after that section, we have writing code for nonprofits. We have interview preparation for technical interviews. This is a new section that we've been working on for a while. And then we have all the other learn software engineering concepts down here. So this is going to encompass everything. Ideally, it's going to encompass all our YouTube videos, all of our wiki articles that our wiki's been moved over to our forum. We'll be able to pull those in, and potentially all of our Medium articles as well. All of that will be put in some form, maybe partially truncated, but put in some form into this Learn Software Engineering Concepts section. And it'll be completely searchable up here. And then let me show you what the rest of the page looks like. So we are moving to a multi-tab format where you can toggle different sections of the page on and off. So let's say hypothetically I click the preview button here, then it would pop out the preview and everything else would dynamically resize accordingly. And I could drag these borders and make certain sections larger, and then if I click it a second time, it just turns the preview off. So this way we'll be able to have the lesson text, the HTML section, the CSS, the JavaScript, in the preview section. You'll be able to completely toggle those on and off as you want while you build the projects, because you're going to be able to build projects right here on FreeCodeCamp instead of having to go over to CodePen to do it. So I just want to very quickly show you what the search functionality will look like. We're basing it off of devdocs.io, which is an excellent documentation website, and I am really impressed with their side navigation here. So you can see that you can just quickly drill down. As you click on things, this updates over here. This is a single page application, just like the reactified version of FreeCodeCamp that hasn't been pushed to production yet, but will be. And basically, you can quickly search, and it just has real-time filtering. So if I literally type the word filter, you can see it updates with the results for the different filters from the documentation of all these other tools that it pulls in. And so if I just delete that and I type map, it'll go find map. And then reduce. So it's very quick and you're just instantly in there. And that's what we want FreeCodeCamp to feel like. We want it to feel speedy and lightweight, and we don't want there to be anything between you and getting to the coding challenge that you want to get to. So we're working together on this redesign, and we're hopeful that we can build it before the end of the year and implement it. There are a lot of other things that have to be done first, but we would welcome your help with implementing it and any feedback you may have as far as the usability and lots of hotkeys. You can see that the first letter of these are underlined. We'd like to have hotkeys that will open them. So ideally, FreeCodeCamp should be completely usable without a mouse. That's an accessibility principle, and also good accessibility is just good usability. So we're going to be working on those things as well. You might see that we have this FreeCodeCamp icon over here. I am proud to announce that Font Awesome 4.7 now has a FreeCodeCamp icon. So here's what it looks like. Yay! That's a little bonus for sticking around to the end of the video. But yeah, if you can pull in the Font Awesome 4.7 CDN, which I don't think they actually have a CDN up for it yet, but it should be up pretty soon. The FreeCodeCamp logo will now be available just as a Font Awesome icon. So our icon on FreeCodeCamp will literally just be a Font Awesome icon, which will be pretty cool. Anyway, thank you again for watching, and I'm looking forward to your feedback. Have a beautiful day.